This is Miss Adrian with Herrick District Library. Another type of breathing that we can do to make us feel really good, this one we get to pretend like we are holding a dandelion. So see all these kids? Those little white things are dandelions. That's a type of flower. So we're just going to pretend we have a dandelion, and you breathe in, and then we're going to pretend to blow the seeds of the dandelion away. And if you do that type of breathing 3 times in a row, it makes you feel so good inside. Let's do it 1, 2, 3 times. So 2 more times. Ready? Get your dandelion ready. One more time. That type of breathing feels a little different in my belly and in my lungs, but now I feel so good.